Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dark green balloons is probably one of the most versatile and elegant choices for any celebration, adding a touch of sophisticated charm to birthdays, weddings, or any special event. These balloons offer a unique aesthetic that can transform a simple gathering into a visually stunning affair, providing a rich, deep hue that complements a wide range of color palettes and themes, making them a standout option for those seeking to create a memorable atmosphere. Number 5. PartyWoo Dark Green Balloons. Introducing our 50-piece set of 12-inch dark green balloons. Their solid, consistent color brings vibrant energy to any celebration. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons stay full longer. They are perfect for creating stunning arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events. Use them for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduations, and more to add a special touch. Filled with air, they stay inflated for up to 72 hours. For floating decorations, use helium, filling them 1 to 2 hours before your event for best results. Please avoid overfilling, sunburn, and sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for a perfect party display. From graduations and baby showers to weddings and birthdays, these balloons are the ideal choice to make your event unforgettable. What we like? This option offers a solid, consistent dark green color that brings vibrant energy to any event. It's perfect for a wide range of celebrations, from birthdays to weddings. If you're looking for a classic, reliable choice that adds a pop of color without being overwhelming, this is the one for you. What people say. The dark green color is a rich and deep shade, perfect for creating a sophisticated atmosphere. These balloons are made of durable latex, holding air well and not popping easily. The matte finish gives them a modern and elegant look, unlike shiny balloons. Number 4. PartyWoo Green Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning green balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. This comprehensive set includes balloons in various sizes to create a beautiful focal point. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to last. They stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event. Easily inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness. They are perfect for adding a festive touch to birthdays, weddings, and baby showers. To ensure the best look, avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for a flawless display. From graduations and birthdays to jungle or dinosaur themes, these balloons are incredibly versatile. Make your next party an unforgettable event with these festive decorations. This kit features a range of sizes, including 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch balloons. Please note the smaller sizes may not float with helium. What we like? This set provides a fantastic variety of sizes, perfect for creating impressive balloon arches and garlands. The quick inflation feature saves you time and effort. If you're aiming for a dramatic, eye-catching balloon display and want to build a stunning backdrop or centerpiece, this is your go-to choice. What people say. The dark green color is rich and deep, perfect for a sophisticated look. These balloons are made of thick, durable latex that holds air well and doesn't pop easily. The matte finish gives them a modern and elegant appearance, unlike shiny balloons. Number 3. PartyWoo Dark Green Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning dark green balloon kit, perfect for any celebration. This pack offers a variety of sizes to create a beautiful balloon arrangement. You'll receive 140 balloons in shades of emerald and hunter green. We've included 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch sizes to give you endless decorating possibilities. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Easily fill them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for a floating effect. Note, 5-inch balloons may not float with helium. They are ideal for birthdays, weddings, and baby showers. Our balloons are simple to inflate and designed for safety. Just avoid overfilling, extreme heat, or sharp objects for the best results. From graduations and birthdays to weddings and baby showers, these balloons add a touch of elegance to any event. Make your special moments even more memorable with these beautiful decorations. What we like? Featuring a beautiful emerald hunter green hue and multiple sizes, this pack is ideal for themed parties like jungle or dinosaur. The durable latex ensures they last throughout your event. If you're planning a specific theme party and want balloons that are both visually appealing and long-lasting, consider this option. What people say. These balloons are a beautiful dark green color, exactly as pictured. The balloons are made of good quality latex and held air well. They were perfect for a jungle-themed party, adding a rich, deep green to the decorations. Number 2. PartyWoo Dark Green Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning dark green balloon kit, perfect for any celebration. This set features a variety of sizes to create a beautiful balloon arch. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to last. They stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event. Inflating them with air is a breeze and they can stay full for up to 72 hours. They are compatible with standard balloon necks for quick setup. From birthdays and graduations to weddings and baby showers, these balloons add a touch of elegance. They are perfect for creating memorable decorations for any theme. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, or sharp objects to maintain their shape. Inflate them to your desired size for the best visual effect. Use them for arches, garlands, or centerpieces to bring joy to your party. They are the ideal choice for making your special event unforgettable. What we like. This pack boasts the largest quantity of balloons with a great mix of sizes, offering excellent value for your money. It's perfect for large gatherings or when you need a lot of balloons for extensive decorations. If you're on a budget but want to create a big impact with plenty of balloons for a grand celebration, this is the best deal. What people say. The dark green balloons are a beautiful deep emerald color, perfect for a sophisticated party theme. These balloons held air for over 24 hours without any noticeable deflation, which was great for our event setup. The material feels durable and they didn't pop easily when inflated to a good size. Number 1. PartyWoo Dark Green Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning dark green balloon kit, perfect for any celebration. This set features a variety of sizes to create a beautiful balloon arrangement. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to last. They stay inflated longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect throughout your event. Inflating these balloons is a breeze, whether with air or helium. They are designed for quick setup, saving you time and effort. From birthdays and graduations to weddings and baby showers, these balloons add a touch of elegance. They are the ideal choice for making any event unforgettable. Use them to create breathtaking balloon arches, garlands, or centerpieces. Their rich color and quality make any theme, like jungle or dinosaur, come alive. Please avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, or sharp objects to ensure longevity. Note that the smaller 5-inch balloons may not float with helium. What we like. This option provides a balanced quantity of balloons in various sizes, making it incredibly versatile for different decoration styles. It's suitable for a wide array of events and allows for creative arrangements. If you need a good all-around balloon kit that can adapt to various party themes and sizes, this is a solid choice. What people say. The dark green color is a perfect match for our forest-themed party. These balloons are made of thick latex and held air for over 24 hours without deflating. The matte finish gives them a sophisticated look that's hard to find with other balloons. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.